This is the Physical and Chemical Properties Lab. This is our first video, and we are going to be looking at substances through a magnifying glass. You'll be recording these data in a table. The first substance we're going to look at is sulfur. And excuse me, I'm sort of backwards here. This is sulfur. I think you can almost see it over there. Sulfur, and this is what this looks like under a magnifying glass. It is, you can see it's a yellow substance, and you can use that to make your observations. Our second substance is iron, and these are in the form of iron filings. And here they are under a magnifying glass. You can see that this is somewhat oxidized. Those are iron filings. Our second substance, or third substance, is sodium bicarbonate. This is sodium bicarbonate. Don't know if you can see that over there. There it is, sort of sodium bicarbonate. And here it is, and for these white substances, I got a little piece of black paper out so we can put these on here and sort of get a look at what it looks like. I'm doing this left-handed, and I'm definitely not ambidextrous. Ooh, I have sulfur on there. So that is sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. I hate to move this because it's going to get all messed up, but here's the name. Sodium bicarbonate. Okay. As I knew that would happen. Okay, there's sodium bicarbonate. Our next substance is sodium chloride. Where did I put this one? There it is. Sodium chloride, table salt, sodium chloride. And here it is. Take a look at that. If you were here, I'd have you look at this through a microscope or a stereoscope, and you'd see it's even more beautiful than this. After sodium chloride, our next substance is sucrose. Some of you might know this as table sugar. Getting sucrose ready. Sucrose. See if I can get that, whoopsie. See if I can get the name in there. Sucrose. And here are some crystals of sucrose on the paper. There we go. Those are sucrose crystals. Again, we'd look at those and it'd be sort of fun to see them. Oopsie, my computer just timed out. So I gotta go look at the next substance. Thank you for your patience, of course. I'm trying to type with fingers that aren't dirty. And I've got my cap locks on. Sorry about this, but I'm not redoing it. Okay, I think the next substance will be sand. It is. So here's some sand. And you can see this is literally, I didn't go buy any nice sand. This is just sand I got. I don't even remember where. But there's some sand. You can see what that looks like. It's got a bunch of different kinds of particles in it. And we have some magnesium. Magnesium. And there's what magnesium looks like. And let me grab a couple little forceps here. You don't really need to be careful of this, but I just don't want my fingers in there. So you can see this is bendable. You can bend this like you'd bend any kind of a metallic substance. So there's magnesium. Then we have two liquid substances, and I could move this, but these are just liquids. This one is lead 2 nitrate, and you can see in there it's a clear liquid. If you had it sitting right by water, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. And this one is a little bit yellow. This is potassium iodide, Ki, and that is also a clear liquid. This one is photosensitive, so it gets a little yellow, but not bad enough to change. Okay, there is your video. Here is your video for your first table.